Oh my God, I'm getting wet. Whew. Okay. Oh no. Yeah, so it started to rain and I just pulled over at the rest stop. And it's around 6 p.m. right now. It's getting dark, so if I could drive another hour and find the gas station or something. So I'm gonna just stay for the night until the morning. Did you hear the thunder? Oh my God, it's crazy. And then there are other people that pulled over as well. Like, let me see that? There's other cars out there, not just me. And I'm quite comfy here in my bed, so very comfy. Oh, and by the way, I am still in Florida. Did you see that lightning? Look, I have a shed here, like I could you know, cover. But for right now, I'm gonna leave it open. Yeah. Man, it's lightning and thundering really hard. Like, look how heavy it is. Like, the rain is just heavy. I hope you can hear it. Yeah. You see that? My legs are perfectly fine. It's the perfect size. Like, I'm not hitting the... See, I have to stretch all the way out to hit it, but it's perfect. I'm only 5'3", and it's good. Man, that it's raining heavy, like really hard. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna get to Carolina sometime tomorrow in the afternoon. And I'm going to find a place to sleep tonight. I don't know where yet. Maybe at the gas station or something. But yeah. Alright, I'll see you soon. Oh, by the way, did I show you my curtains? I put up a curtain right there. See that? Now I got curtains. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. I love it. So I stopped off in a place called Townsend, Georgia to pick up some fresh Georgia peach. Peaches are in bottles. Vanilla girl. Vanilla peach. Myself a peach slushie. very beautiful. Very. So I stopped at this beautiful spot with like overlooking the mountains. Like it's just gorgeous. I will show you later, but first I am gonna make some hot dogs for lunch. Yeah, I believe that's enough water. Yeah, I am still a little tired from last night because I didn't get much sleep at that gas station. Like the trucks, they were coming and going non-stop. Yeah, so like I keep waking up. You know, it is so amazing just sitting here making lunch, watching people coming and going, and just amazed by the beauty of this country. I mean, I'm glad that I could experience this. I really do, man. And I just start my journey. I just started. And already I am amazed. Already I feel free. Already I am so happy with my choice. This is just beautiful. So this is some refried beans that I got. It's what I got. So I'm gonna just spread it over the hot dog. Because I don't have any ketchup or anything like that. I spread the refried beans over the hot dog. I don't have any ketchup, mustard, or anything. I wish I did, but I don't have any. So I'm just gonna enjoy it like this. Let me give it one more try. It's alright. It's not the best hot dog I ever had. But from this moment, it's okay. I'm so happy I did this. I'm so happy I get to experience this. Whew. If I had followed negative people and says, hey, don't go do it, I wouldn't. Like 3 hours or 4 hours up in the mountain because I was driving all day and I got tired, so I just rented a spot. Okay, so after walking all day, hiking, mountain climbing, because I'm at the highest part of the mountain. It was fun. It was fun. Looks like it's gonna rain. Yeah, I rented a camping spot and I'm just gonna hang out here for the night. And if you see, it was a lot easier for me to put up the tent. I put up the tent in no time this time because I know what I was doing. It took me about a good anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes to put up the tent, and I'm good. So now I'm gonna make some pasta for dinner. I don't have much. All I have is pasta. Yeah, it is like an off-grid camping spot because there's nothing here. There's no electricity, there's no internet, there's no Wi-Fi, like there's no light. The only two lights was at the main office. Like they got 2 bulbs up there, the guy told me, and that's the only thing. But pretty much the whole place is gonna be dark in probably another hour or so. Yeah, so this is the light that I have hanging in the top of the roof of my car. So I just took it down and bring it in because I don't have a lantern or anything. I hope it worked later on tonight. I mean, it's gonna have to work. But I'm going to bed early anyway because I am tired. I am exhausted. Oh my God, I'm getting wet. I didn't cover it properly and it's pouring. My arms is wet, everything. The whole floor is wet. So the whole corner right there is soaking wet. Because right there, I didn't cover it properly. I had to run outside and hurry up and drag the cover over the tent properly. So now I learned my lesson. Okay, it's a disaster. In here is wet. I'm cold. So I have this little rug. I'm just gonna spread it out right here so it could dry the water up. So this is what it looks like. Look at that, the wind is blowing. Oh geez. Because I didn't tighten it enough. I didn't do a good job. In the meantime, I am going to continue cooking. So where was I? Alright, so I was putting on garlic powder. It stopped raining, or he's down, so I'm gonna run outside and tighten those string. You see these strings? These are the ones should be tightened and hooked like that. Like hook it there. Let me do that. I'm gonna do all 4. Get back in there. Whew. The whole thing. Oh my God. Oh jeez. Oh no, we gotta fix this. This is where I gotta fix that. That's where the water came through earlier. So I gotta get back out there again. I'm not gonna bring the camera this time. Alright, I think I got that down. It's closed up. But this one is still like kind of peeking out. That one is good. The front, I don't think I have to worry about it because, yeah. Alright, I can't even get to finish this pasta. Now the pasta is cold. Yeah, let's add some cheese. I think this is going to be the worst pasta I probably ever make. Because I'm very good with pasta. So now I'm adding some cheese in there. So I add 2 eggs to the pasta. At this point, I'm just desperate. So I ended up having a crappy lunch and a crappy dinner because I wasn't prepared. You know, I should have thought of it. I'm coming in the mountains way up here. I should have, take the stuff that I need. I have a question. If anyone knows how the water is getting into the tent, please let me know, because like you see, like right there in that corner, look, this is water. I don't know how it got there. I dried up the water already from before, And those are all new water just springing up. So I don't know if it rains anymore. I am gonna have to get my stuff and get into my car. Oh, and another thing, it's getting cold real fast. I think I'm gonna have to go to my car and get my sweater, sleep in my sweater because it is cold. Now I had grabbed my sleeping bag. But other than that the water is coming up through there or in the corners over there, I'm pretty comfortable. I just want to know how did the water get in here and how to prevent it next time in my camping. So please let me know. Yeah, it is the next morning and I slept really well last night. So after all that raining and disaster and I just went to bed and I fall asleep and I woke up at 8:40 this morning. Made myself some breakfast, packed everything in my car. So now I have the tent to pack and then away I go. I don't know where I'm going next. I'm just gonna wing it.